Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your FreshBooks, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove your PayPal from FreshBooks? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your PayPal from FreshBooks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that sometimes PayPal can hold up your funds, so maybe you prefer not to accept that as a payment method. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your FreshBooks account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my FreshBooks, and this is the home screen. Now, here on the home screen, if you want to remove or delete your PayPal from the payment method, here on the left, you're going to click on this button, Payments. It looks like a little wallet. All right, once you do that, you're going to see the payment screen, and up here on the top right, you want to click on More Actions. Once you do that, you're going to see these three options, and you want to click on this one, Accept Online Payments. Okay, so here you're going to see all of the payment methods that you have set up with FreshBooks, and to disconnect your PayPal, just scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom, you're going to see the PayPal section along with the term, and in order to remove PayPal as a payment method on your invoices, click on this trash can, Disable. All right, next you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to disconnect your PayPal account from your FreshBooks? If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on this green button here. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. You can see my PayPal has now been removed. So if I want to accept PayPal as a payment method in the future, I will need to reconnect my business PayPal account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove or disconnect your PayPal from your FreshBooks, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.